Hi children, we had already done adjectives describing an object or describing a person. So you're going to enjoy doing an exercise with me. Underline the describing word. So the sentence will be there. You identify the describing word over there. Yes, you will underline the describing word in that sentence. It's a very interesting exercise. I hope you'll enjoy it. Let's look at our first picture. Look what you have here. You have a bowl full of fresh fruits. Oh, lovely, isn't it? Okay, let's read the sentence. Yes, let's read the sentence. Identify the describing word, then we'll underline. The sentence begins with a cap letter and a full stop. We are learning not only to underline the describing word, but read the full sentence. Yes? Good. Let's do it together. These are fresh fruits. Read again. These are fresh fruits. Which is the describing word? Fresh. And what do we do here? Underline. Now, are these fresh fruits? Yes. These are fresh fruit. The describing word for this fruit is fresh. Fresh and juicy. Did you enjoy the exercise? Yes, we'll do a few more to make you remember the describing word. Let's go on to a new picture. Look what you have here. I'm sure the little girls will love this pretty dress. A pretty, lovely, pretty new dress. Yes, let's read. This is a green frock. What's the color of the frock? Green. The frock is new and it describes it saying that it is green in color. Yes, the sentence begins with a cap letter, full stop. The word used to describe the dress is green. So we underline the word green because it describes the frock. Yes, read the sentence. This is a green frock. Good. Let's go on to another picture. Look, this little boy. Is he sleepy? No, it's very active boy. Look, he is an active boy. He's doing all kinds of jumping around. So which is the word that describes him? Active. Active is what? A describing word. Describe the little boy, what kind of little boy he is. So we underline the word active. That's the word describes the boy. Now let's read the sentence. He is an active boy. Full stop. He is an active boy. Are you enjoying the exercise? Good. Let's take another picture. Look what you have here. A lovely vase. Lovely vase. Okay? Read the sentence. This is a beautiful vase. Is it beautiful? Yes. What is beautiful? The word beautiful describes what kind of vase it is. So we underline the word beautiful because the vase really looks beautiful. Beautiful describes the kind of vase. Yes, let's look at the sentence. This is a beautiful vase. What is beautiful? The descriptive word. Good. Did you enjoy? Let's look at another new picture. See what you have here. What is this? Ship. Where does the ship go? It goes on the ocean. Big white seas and oceans. Yes? Let's read. This is a huge ship. It's a small ship? No. In the ocean, only huge, big, very big ships go. Now what describes the ship? Is it small or big or huge? It describes the ship saying it is huge, very big. So huge is the word that describes the ship. So we underline the word huge. Okay? We underline the descriptive word huge here. This is a huge ship. Very good. Yes? Huge. Underline. We underline huge Because the word huge describes the ship. Let's read the sentence together. This is a huge ship. Look at the sentence. You learn to read the sentence. You learn to identify the descriptive word huge. Good. Let's go to another picture. Look what you have. Your Santa. When does Santa come to your house? Christmas time. Good. What does he have on his back? Definitely a huge big sack. Let's read the sentence. Who is Santa? Santa is a person who rewards good little boys and girls. Santa has a big sack. What does Santa have on his back? A big sack. What does the sack have? All lovely toys for boys and girls. Now, small sack or big sack? Big sack. What is big? Big is the descriptive word describing the size of the sack. So we underline big that describes Santa's sack. So we underline that's a descriptive word for the sack. How big? Very big, yes. Now let's read the sentence. Santa has a big sack. Begins with the capital letter, ends with the full stop. Let's read the sentence together. What is the descriptive word here? Big. Good. Santa has a big sack. Did you enjoy the exercise? Let's get on to a new picture. Yes? Look what you have. Have you seen this animal at the zoo? Yes. Which animal is this? Giraffe. What does he have? Long neck. Let's read the sentence. The giraffe has a long neck. What describes the giraffe? His long neck. Long. So he says, not short, it's long neck. So the word long describes the neck of the giraffe. So we underline long. That's a descriptive word. Long neck. Only giraffe has such a long neck. So we underline long. Yes. Now let's read the sentence. The giraffe has a long neck. Did you enjoy? Good. Let's take a new picture. Look what you have here. The little boy's got the ball. He's going to play. Now, this boy has an orange ball. Describe what color ball? He has an orange ball. So, orange describes the color of the ball. Yes. So, we underline orange that describes the ball. What color ball he has? He has an orange ball. The boy has an orange ball. Good. You identify the descriptive word. We underline. Now read the sentence with me. This boy has an orange ball. Look at the full stop. You learn to read the sentence? Good. Let's get on to a new picture. Look what you have. Here's the little girl. She's singing. What is she doing? She's singing. Let's read the sentence. What kind of voice she has? Her voice is sweet. Very nice to hear. So, her voice is sweet. So, the word sweet describes her voice. Sweet. We underline the word sweet because they're telling us, the word sweet tells us what kind of voice she has. The voice is sweet. Read the sentence. Her voice is sweet. Ends with the full stop. Good. So what is the descriptive word here? Sweet. Describes her voice. Did you enjoy the exercise? Shall we go to another picture? Good. Look what you have here. Yummy. Very fleshy, juicy mango. Okay. Let's read. These mangoes are ripe. Are these mangoes ripe? Yes. These mangoes are ripe. What describes the mango? That they are ripe. That's the descriptive word, ripe. We underline the word ripe because it says The mango is green or ripe. It is ripe. Ripe. The word ripe describes the mango. These mangoes are ripe. Read. Sentence begins with the capital letter, ends with the full stop. You learn to read the sentence. You identified the word ripe. That's the descriptive word for mango. Yes? Did you enjoy? Let's get on to a new picture. See what you have? Little chick is here. Tiny little chick. Let's read. This chick is small. Tiny, very tiny it is. This chick is small. What describes the chick? The word small. She is small. So we underline the descriptive word for the chick, small, underline. Okay? The small says the chick is very small, very tiny. See? Or hardly stands. Let's read the sentence. This chick is small. Small describes the little chick. Yes? Good. Did you enjoy? Let's take another picture. Look what you have. There's a little girl and there's a brother and sister. And what did the boy say? The two sisters are here and she says, she is my younger sister. What does it say? She is my younger sister or she is my small sister. So describing the sister, whether she is older or younger. This is younger. So the word younger is the descriptive word. We underline the word younger, telling us the sister is younger or older. Yes? Good. She is my younger sister. She is my younger sister. Younger, smaller. So discusses how big. Big or small? Younger. Read the sentence. She is my younger sister. Good. So you learn to read the sentence, identify the descriptive word for the sister. Good. Let's take another picture, children. Look what you have here. Oh, your little dog. What is she doing? She's hugging on to a little dog. What does she say? She says, her dog is very cute. She says, her dog is very cute. What kind of dog? Cute dog. So underline the word cute because the word cute describes what kind of dog she has. Her dog is very cute. Cute describes the dog. Read the sentence. Her begins with capital letter, ends with the full stop. Her dog is very cute. That's what she says. Did you enjoy the exercise, children? Shall we take another picture? Look. Lovely, juicy carrots. These carrots are fresh, straight from the field. These carrots are fresh. What is the word describing the carrot? Fresh. So the word fresh describes what kind of carrots. Carrots are fresh, not old or rotten. We underline the word fresh because that describes the carrot. These carrots are fresh. Read the sentence with me. These carrots are fresh. Good. Did you enjoy the exercise?